Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix the Windows Update KB5063878 063878, sorry, giving error codes or just making your PC extremely slow or whatever issue is causing. I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix that. And what you want to do is you want to make your way over to the search bar. From the search bar, just type in settings. Once you are in the settings, what you want to do is you want to make your way over to Windows Update. And then from Windows Update, you can go ahead and click on Update History. And as you can see, the update specifically for me was right here, KB5063878. And it was installed on 8/15, so that was quite a while. It was like 2 months ago. But if for you, if it was more recently installed, what you can do is go ahead and go back to Windows Update and go over to Update History. Or sorry, not Update History. You want to go over to oh sorry, you do want to go over to Update History, but then you want to scroll down until you see Uninstall Updates, and then from Uninstall Updates, if you have the option to uninstall it, if it was recent, then you can go ahead and uninstall the update. Now that should, once you basically uninstall it, I recommend restarting your PC, and then after that you guys should be good to go. And that is it for the video. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.